Welcome back to the Line 5 channel. Today we'll be making sheet pan easy meals. Now I love these meals for 3 reasons. 1, they're easy. 2, they're really quick to make. And 3, less mess in the kitchen. All you need, your ingredients, one of these sheet pans, the biggest you have. Mine is a 17 by 11 and you're ready to go. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see our future videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Let's get to it. Set your oven to 425 degrees and you're gonna get your baking sheet. Start by dicing our sweet potatoes up. So I just like to cut the ends off and then I cut them into like circular rounds. And then I like to cut those rounds just into, what do you get, like bite-sized pieces. And then just throw them right onto your baking tray. So ideally you'll have about 3 cups of sweet potatoes cut up. And then all you're gonna do with these is drizzle a little bit of either olive oil or vegetable oil and simply mix them all together and make sure that they're all coated. And spread them out as much as you can, and then you'll pop them in your preheated oven for 15 minutes. So while the sweet potatoes are in the oven, you're gonna wanna pound out your chicken. So the way I do it, a piece of plastic wrap over top, and your best friend becomes a rolling pin. And just simply smash away. Okay, so once you have your chicken flattened out, you're gonna wanna season it. So you start with, nothing is measured. I have roughly 1 pound, 500 grams of chicken. So I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of, I'm using vegetable oil, but you could use olive oil. I'm going to add onion powder. I'm gonna add some minced garlic. So I'm gonna add a couple of spoonfuls of that. Of this Montreal chicken spice. It's meant for like the barbecue, but I love the seasoning that it does. So I'll just sprinkle some of that. Whatever you prefer. If you like it more spicy, add more spice to it. If you like it the other way, you like it more garlicky, add more garlic. We will end it with some salt and pepper. Just give that a good coat and let that sit like that until your sweet potatoes are done. Over to one side of the pan. And I like to lay it in between. Doesn't really matter where it goes though. Approximately 3 cups of vegetables. I have broccoli and cauliflower. It's frozen, but you could use fresh. You could use whatever kind of vegetables you like. And then just like the sweet potatoes, we are going to slightly drizzle the vegetables with a little bit of oil. Mix those. And then of course we'll add some salt and pepper just for seasoning. This Montreal chicken spice to the vegetables also. It's really whatever spices, whatever flavors you prefer. Give that a quick sauce. And then we'll put this pan back in for about 15 minutes. All right, so mine just came out of the oven. As you can see, it's probably still steaming. I did end up putting it under the broiler for 2 minutes, just because I wanted to get the top of the chicken a little bit more crispy than it was. If you're going to meal prep it, I suggest letting it cool down completely and then cutting it up and putting it into its individual containers and setting them in the fridge until you're ready to use them. If not, just go ahead and serve it right up right away. Thanks for watching.